Crap, no, wait. Okay, there we go.
Hello, my fellow YouTubians. This is the AirsoftPros, and this is our first video, which is the review of the Well MK96 Sniper Rifle from Airsoft Maker Store. To start off, I just wanted to say it's a full metal barrel all the way down to the trigger here, except the scope. This is not metal. Well, it might be. And then polymer body. Full metal bipod, and then here's the cheek rest and the shoulder thingy-jigger. But here's the double trigger, which I like a lot. The foldable bipod here. Here's the lever to load it and stuff. Here's the safety right here, right behind the lever. Red means I can shoot it. That means it's on safe. Here's the 39 by 40 scope. Let's cover off.
Pretty sick.
It's pretty sick. Here's the zoom thingy here. The mag is right here. It's kind of awkward, but yeah, to load it, you just press this down. Thumb the BBs in is what I do. It's more effective.
But it's still slow.
Until you get the hang of it.
Until you get the hang of it, yeah.
Seth, be quiet.
Oh, fine, jerk.
You just sham it in there. Jam it in there until you hear the click, and it's good. Load it. Load it, aim, fire. Yep, I'm gonna make sure your safety's off. Oh, there we go. That's the review, our review of my Well MK96 Sniper Rifle from Airsoft Maker Store. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe somewhere up here.
Safe. Rate, comment, and subscribe.
Yes.
And dislike.
Do not do that one. That is a bad idea. Let's go.